Happy Easter, everyone! The parable of the lily, a time of new life at Easter. Spring is the time in nature when all the plants, trees, and flowers begin to bloom and come alive after winter. The trees that looked black against the gray winter sky start to bud with leaves and flowers. Everything is green again and full of new life. Sometimes the clouds rain, then the sun shines, and God's world is alive with nature and animals. Baby bunnies are born and birds build their nests for their eggs, and you begin to see butterflies and bees. In the story of the parable of the lily, the little girl Maggie learned about the rising up of new life when she discovered that the Easter lily grew. She thought her gift was a dull brown seed and didn't know the beauty inside of it. But the dull seed started again. Easter is a time that people can start new again too. Easter reminds us that we can choose to do new things and think new thoughts. We can choose to be kind, say nice things, be more patient and helpful, and to show our love. We can try new things too, like to ride a bike or play a sport and create something new. Easter is a time when we remember Jesus and how he taught many people that they were strong on the inside and showed them how to love and care for each other and how to forgive. He taught people that they were good and strong and filled with the love of God. He wanted people to let their Christ light shine, that part of you that is always with God. His message was that we could choose a new way to live and recognize our goodness. In the story, Maggie learned about forgiveness. She was sorry that she threw her gift out of the cellar, but her daddy forgave her. When we make mistakes, we can ask God to forgive us, and we can say we're sorry. We can forgive our friends, our brothers and sisters if they hurt us or make us mad. And even when we forget, Easter is a time to rise up and choose to be new. Have a fun Easter, everyone. Bye-bye.